Hello and welcome back. I am Rob Hufford with the 55th Civil Engineer Squadron, and today is the day. I'm here in Lincoln, Nebraska for the final takeoff and the first landing back at Offutt. Before we take off, we'd like to take a moment to highlight some of our maintainers, aircrew, and support personnel that made the last 579 days possible. We have had over 209,000 people make 19,000 round trips to support over 1,800 sorties out of Lincoln. This also includes over 25 million pounds of equipment moved and 240,000 hours of security force defenders protecting the space. All right, the time has come. Let's load up. Well, we're here. Welcome home, Offutt. On time and on budget.